Hello! It's Phyllis from Inclusive Music, teaching the world to make music with BandLab. And in this video, I want to share with you how you can take your music making to the next level by learning the essential skills of songwriting and applying them to produce an amazing song in the musical style or genre of your choice. We'll look at how to get started, some basic skills, song structure, the ending, mastering, how to add the icing on the cake, lyric writing and much more. Plus, at the end, there will be an amazing offer. Stay tuned. BandLab for Beginners is the world's #1 songwriting course for BandLab. Created by Heeley, the founder of Inclusive Music, teacher, trainer, musician and BandLab fanatic. His purpose and passion is to teach the world to make music with BandLab. He's chosen BandLab because it's available on any device, it is an incredibly simple yet powerful music-making software, and it's free. Phil has worked with the awesome BandLab team to beta test, help develop the product, and he continues to challenge the company to improve with his ideas and suggestions. Having used BandLab since its inception, Phil has a huge knowledge and love of the software and is committed to creating the best video tutorials and courses to enable anyone to make music. Let's take a look at what's in the course. There's two options: BandLab for Beginners, for the general public, and BandLab for Schools, for teachers using the new education version. We're going to be focusing on the public version. In this course, you will find 35 videos, 20 quizzes, and 58 PDFs. A quick overview of how to get started writing music in minutes.
I have been working with music technology for over 40 years as a musician, teacher, trainer, workshop leader and consultant. As a creator of Dance EJ for Schools, co-creator of Garage Band for Schools and founder of the Inclusive Music Academy, I know what good music software looks like and sounds like. That's why I am now focusing on BandLab, as I believe this free software will enable everyone to explore the music they love, create amazing songs and collaborate with people from all over the world. Music is a wonderful gift, and access to music has just become a whole lot easier and more accessible.
Examples of what a song structure looks like and sounds like.
For the first 4 bars, from bar 29 to 33, I have used a bass, a beat, and a cymbal. From bar 33, I'm going to copy the bass for 4 bars and copy the beat, and then add one more instrument starting halfway through at bar 33 and finishing at bar 37.
Simple downloadable templates to plan your song. Basic skills training, including how to record.
So what I would do is create a new track. Let's say voice microphone. Up comes the track and you can see my voice there. And that means the microphone is picking up the audio, in this case my voice. This track is selected. You can see it's white, which means that any recording will come out here on this track. So I'm going up to the red icon. Start recording. Google eyes, I realize, telling lies, no surprise. And I'll stop there. And now you can see there's a recording made, and that's the audio waveform that's appeared.
How to change key.
Here we can see the key that the current song is in. At the moment, A min stands for A minor, but we can change this. Let's have a listen first of all. I'm going to click on it, and here we have all the keys available. Currently we're in A minor, so let's try and make a dramatic difference so you can hear it. Let's go to D minor, and we go to transpose the key. Would you like to adjust existing regions to D minor? Let's adjust them, in other words, yes. This takes a while to process, but there it is. Let's see if we can hear it again.
How to search for the perfect loop?
Let's have a quick look at the search function. If we go to loops, as we know, there are literally hundreds and hundreds to choose from. Sometimes we need a certain type of loop, let's say a beat for example, and there's a way to do this. If we go to all loops, we literally have the entire collection. We can scroll down, and that would take hours to work through. But here we've got choose filters, and we go over to this little arrow here and click, and now we can search by genres or styles. So if we were interested in writing a blues track, we could have blues, and suddenly the big list becomes smaller. Let's reset that. We can also search by instruments. Let's tap the bass, and up come all the bass loops. Reset. How about effects? Lots and lots of different effects. Reset. Let's try some guitar. Reset. We can also mix the two. So we could have in the genres R&B and beats. So now we have R&B beats.
And keyboard shortcuts. Let's take a quick look at quizzes. Question 1. How do you cut off the first part of the loop? Is it A. Click and drag handle 1, B. Click and drag handle 2, or C. Click and drag handle 3? I think it's A. Bummer, I got it wrong. Question 2. How do you cut off the end part of a loop? I think I know this. Let's try C. Click and drag handle 3. Yes. Awesome. Final question. If you can't record your own voice, what other option is available? A. Ring Beyoncé and see if she's free. B. Record your dad singing in the shower. Or C. Go into the loop search area, type in vocal, and see what loop samples you like there. I think it's C. Yes, right again. 67% scored. Not bad. You'll learn how to produce a natural fade-out ending to your song.
There are many ways to end a song, but for this project we are going to create a gentle fade-out. The ending is to be created by copying your chorus, like we did in chorus 2. The only difference is that we will paste it twice and use automation to fade it out gradually. Once again, we will add some new loops to the second copied chorus to add variety and interest. Let's start by listening to the demo song and make some observations about the structure and composition. So here's a little trick right at the beginning, where the first copy of the chorus has had the beat removed for 2 bars. There is also some added effects throughout the 16 bars. In the second half of the ending, I've added some new sounds. The first is a vocal effect, and the second a synth sound. There are also lots of cymbals added, but we will cover those in the last chapter of the project, Icing on the Cake.
How to add the icing on the cake refers to those secret hacks that makes your song sound even better.
The icing on the cake refers to making the song even better by adding some extra sounds. The best loops to achieve this are cymbals, FX, a sound that rises in pitch,
and a sound that gets lower in pitch. These help to add drama and impact to the song. In the demo song, the icing on the cake is represented by the loops in red, and they are mainly FX and cymbal sounds. If I solo these two tracks, you can clearly hear the type of sound that I've used. So where should you put these sounds for maximum effect? Well, drummers will generally hit a crash cymbal at the beginning of the bar or phrase for emphasis. So to add interest and excitement to a new section like a chorus or verse, a cymbal could be placed on the first beat of the bar. In the demo song, the chorus starts at bar 17, and you will notice that a crash cymbal is positioned there. Another can be found at the start of the break at bar 25. Another use of a cymbal is to use one that gets louder, creating a crescendo, and then fades out. You can see an example of this in the introduction. Here, the effect helps introduce a new instrument. The guitar at bar 5, the bass at bar 9, and the vocal at bar 13. These two types of cymbal can be used very effectively together, as you can see and hear at bar 37, where the verse ends and the bridge begins. At the end of the song, at bar 66, a crash cymbal is used on the first beat of the bar every 4 bars to create maximum impact.
You'll also learn how to make your finished song sound even better with mastering.
Mastering. What is it? Why do I need it? And what will it cost me? The great news is this amazing feature is free on BandLab. Let's check it out. There are 2 ways you can use mastering on BandLab. The first is you can head to bandlab.com/mastering. From this page, it's as easy as dragging and dropping a completed track from your computer. You can master WAV, MP3s, or almost any popular file type, and our algorithmic mastering feature will get to work processing your track. Once uploaded, you will see the option to select one of BandLab's mastering presets. You can choose from Enhanced Clarity, CD Quality, or Bass Boost. As you listen to the effect of each preset on your tracks, you can assess which of them fits your genre and the sound you're looking for.
And there's even information on how you can make money with your music. That would be cool, right? And there's also some awesome information and resources, including rhyming dictionaries, to help you write lyrics and raps to your song. Hello, I'm Thalia. So, I mentioned that we had a very special offer for you. As you saw, both BandLab for Beginners and BandLab for Schools are very affordable, but if you want to get hold of the full songwriting course and take your music making to the next level, then you'll find a voucher code for an extra 20% off the already bargain price. This means you'll be able to get access to the BandLab for Beginners course for just over $5. And if you're a teacher and you want to transform your music lessons and your kids' love of music, you can access BandLab for Schools for just over $10. And for every education establishment that purchases BandLab for Schools, Inclusive Music will donate a completely free course to a school in a developing country. We want to do this for two reasons. The first is that music is the universal language, and we want to give all children around the world an opportunity to make music using BandLab. The second is the teaching management system within BandLab for Education allows the teacher to enable their class to collaborate and make music with any other class on the planet in a completely safe, COPPA-compliant way. Can you imagine a teacher in Boston linking up with a teacher in Delhi and starting a music assignment together? So for example, the children in Boston might create an introduction to a song. When the children in Delhi log into their BandLab classroom, they will see and hear that very same introduction. And, as they are sharing the same assignment, they can now follow the instructions and add a chorus or a verse, or perhaps they can record their voices or a tabla or any other instrument, whether it be a real instrument or a BandLab virtual instrument. This process would be continually repeated until the assignment was completed, and the children in Delhi and Boston would have co-created a song or soundscape from opposite sides of the world. By the end of the assignment, they would not only be fellow musicians, but great friends too. I'll leave it to you to imagine where that might lead and the huge potential and incredibly positive impact and benefit that collaborating musically could have upon our planet. So please, let me know in the comments what you think of this idea, and if you know a school, or a teacher, or a bunch of kids that you think would benefit from such a project, please share this video with them so that they can get started. And one more thing, if you know of a school in a developed country, but in a deprived area, that might benefit from being the beneficiary of a free BandLab for Schools course, please let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell so that you never miss a future video. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next time, keep making music.